I am Homo sapiens. The Pliocene Epoch, which lasted from approximately 5.3 to 2.6 million years ago, was a critical period for the evolution and diversification of mammals. Glaciation began in the northern hemisphere, making the environment cooler and drier. Grasslands expanded, while forests shrank. Open plains and savanna-like habitats promoted the evolution of horses, cattle, and carnivores. Mammals in colder regions, such as mammoths, survived due to their thick fur and fat layers. The connection between North and South America facilitated the migration of various mammals between the continents, a phenomenon known as the Great American Biotic Interchange. During the Pliocene, the evolution of primates and human ancestors, or hominins, entered a crucial phase. Many significant species emerged in the human lineage, leading to the development of modern humans. The Cercopithecus family, a superfamily of Old World monkeys that includes modern macaques, langurs, and baboons, diversified significantly during this epoch. These species were well adapted to grasslands and forests. In South America, the Ceboidea, or the superfamily of New World monkeys, saw the development of Cebidae and Atelidae families, such as capuchins and howler monkeys, which evolved in dense tropical forests. At the same time, human-like apes, or great apes, including the ancestors of gorillas and chimpanzees, continued to evolve. Their fossils have been found in the forests and savanna regions of Africa. Hominins, the branches of the Hominidae family that lead to humans, experienced rapid evolution during the Pliocene. Several important species emerged during this time. Australopithecus afarensis, found in East Africa, modern Ethiopia, Kenya, and Tanzania, between 3.9 and 2.9 million years ago, is one of the most famous hominins. The renowned fossil Lucy belongs to this species. These hominins were about 1 to 1.5 meters tall. They could walk partially upright and had teeth and jaw structures suggesting a diet primarily of fruits and plants. Australopithecus africanus, found in South Africa between 3 and 2 million years ago, was a close relative of Australopithecus afarensis. It had a slightly larger brain, measuring 400 to 500 cubic centimeters, and stronger jaws, distinguishing it from its relatives. These hominins lived mainly in grasslands and forests. Paranthropus, found in East and South Africa between 2.7 and 1.2 million years ago, were robust hominins known for their strong skulls and large jaws, adapted for eating hard foods like seeds and roots. Their brain size was similar to Australopithecus. Ardipithecus ramidus, living in Ethiopia around 4.4 million years ago, was among the early hominins. They were characterized by their ability to walk on two legs and climb trees. Their brain size was small, about 300 to 350 cubic centimeters, and their teeth resembled those of modern humans. A major evolutionary development in human ancestors during this era was bipedalism, a hallmark of human evolution. This adaptation enabled our ancestors to traverse grasslands, evade predators, and forage more effectively. Although the brain size of ancestors like Ardipithecus and Australopithecus remained small, it began to increase by the end of the Pliocene. This growth facilitated the development of language, tool-making, and social behaviors. Evidence suggests that early hominins had started making simple tools from stones and bones. During the Pliocene epoch, ancient species like Mammothus meridionalis, southern mammoth, and stegodon emerged among elephants and their relatives. These massive herbivores inhabited grasslands and forested areas across Europe, Asia, and Africa. Their large tusks and robust bodies helped them survive challenging climatic conditions. In the carnivorous category, feline predators like Smilodon, saber-toothed tiger, and Homotherium evolved. Their long canines and powerful jaws made them adept at hunting large prey. Among ungulates, animals like cattle, buffalo, and deer emerged. Species such as Bos, ancestor of modern cattle, cervus, deer, and the giant megaloceros, giant deer, relied on grass and shrubs for sustenance. Among rhinoceroses, the colossal species Elasmotherium dominated the grasslands. Hippopotamids, hippos, thrived effectively both in water and on land. In Australia, Giant marsupials like Diprotodon, giant wombat, and Thylacoleo, marsupial lion, evolved. These species adapted to their environment and flourished in the grasslands. In South America, large herbivores like Macrauchenia, camel-like mammals, and Toxodon were prominent in open plains. Alongside them, predatory birds like forest wrasses, terror birds, coexisted, creating a unique ecosystem where predators and prey adapted in their own ways to survive.